This is the old Willis Avenue Bridge. It's about 100 years old, and as you can see, it needs replacement. So right there is the new Willis Avenue Bridge. Currently, the contractor is getting ready to take this bridge out in the same way that he brought the other one in. He's going to float it out. Within the week and a half, all of this will be gone, and all you will see is the new Willis. This bridge opened to traffic on Saturday morning. I was in the first car going across, and I could say I had a share in it. That's the best part. I started civil engineering from day one. That's what I wanted to be. I saw things being built, and I found that very exciting. A lot of people, especially that are not engineers, might think of engineering as you sit at a desk, do calculations, and you're sitting in front of a computer, and that's not what engineering is all about. There's a technical aspect and discussing design, but a lot of it is out at the field, going out to the project site, looking at the issues right in front of me and coming up with an answer right then and there and seeing how we can solve the problem so the project keeps moving. You can move a couple of files. The idea is to keep it somewhat uniform. Civil engineering is probably the oldest engineering there is. It's everything, whether it is planning so that you get water in your tap, to your phone lines even working, because even there's some civil engineering work going on. Everything has to be designed. Someone has to make plans to make sure that the contractor knows how to build a bridge or a road or a power plant, any of it. And in all of that, in the background, is a civil engineer planning everything. We kid around and say, architects make it look pretty and the engineers make it stand, but during the design phase, the architect and the engineer work together, and then the contractor's got to execute everything that was planned. If we do our job right, no one knows we exist, because it's like everything just grew out there.